Welcome to T1 Academy students. In our T1 Academy YouTube channel, we started the quant series and the reasoning series. And in the quant series, we discussed each and every concept in a detailed manner. Okay, all the concepts of quant were there discussed, and even that playlist was already uploaded in our channel. So please do watch those videos. And in the reasoning series also, we are discussing all the reasoning concepts. See students, these concepts will be useful for all the examinations like staff selection commission, banking examinations, railways examinations. More or less in all the examinations, you can see the similar type of syllabus. In all these concepts, we discussed each and everything in a detailed manner, and we have even discussed the previous year's questions from all these different examinations. Those series contains the questions from our previous examination from Staff Selection Commission, Banking and Railways examination. So you can see all of them in those videos. So please do watch that videos so that it will be helpful to you. And at the same time, in our reasoning series also, we have discussed all the concepts of reasoning. So please do watch the videos completely so that it will be clear for you. What happens is, if you watch one video and skip the other one, means you may miss the connectivity. So we will, anyway, I am the person who is teaching all the concepts. So I will try, what we usually I do is, I will try to link the concepts of the previous videos to this one. So like this it will happen. So what my suggestion is, please do watch all the videos perfectly. It will be helpful for you to clear any examination. Okay, right? Now today we are going to discuss one more concept, that is verbal series, non-verbal series. Non-verbal series. Now see here students, when it comes to series, we will have two types of series. We will have two types of series. One is verbal and the other one is non-verbal. Verbal and non-verbal. See, when it comes to verbal series, under the series concept we have already discussed the things. What it is? We will have number series and as well as alphabet series. We will have number series and alphabet series under the verbal series concept. Under the verbal series concept. Next, similarly, when it comes to non-verbal, series. Now, how we will have the questions or how we will have the concepts means, we will have figures usually. We will have figures. Figures means they will have different shapes or anything like that. In that, so based on that, they will give us a symbol like this. Like this, they will give us 3 figures or 4 figures, and they may ask us the 4th figure or the 5th figure. Or they may give us 2 figures like this, and they may skip the middle one, and we need to find what is this middle figure according to the series which was given there. Like this, we will have different concepts and different areas, students. So by seeing the questions, you will come to an idea what is this non-verbal series. Okay, now we will slowly move to the concept directly to the questions. Now see here students, this is the problem figure they given for me. Now what is happening here? Please observe. I need to tell what comes after this figure. What is the figure which comes after this one? Now see here, first the arrow is showing upward, next it is showing downward, next it is showing upward. So in this manner, next the arrow should show which direction? The downward direction. The arrow should show which direction? Downward direction. Now see here, in these 4 options, C is not our answer by default. Why? What is the reason? Here the arrow is showing us upward direction. See here students, these questions we will try to solve with the help of option elimination. Okay, whichever the option which is eliminated, we will try to eliminate it. Sometimes we will directly try to find the problem. Now this one is not my answer, that one is deleted. Next, when it comes to this dots, see here, first it was in this 2, next it was shifted to in this, next it was in this 2. So next it should be there in this manner, right? Right, this should be my series. Now in which figure it was there? See, please observe my A and B, it was similar to C only, right? So then this is not my answer. So what is the only thing which is perfect for me here? Option D, where the arrow is showing downward and as well as the dots are also changed perfectly. So here my answer will be what? Option D. Option D. Like this, we will solve the problems by taking certain particular positions. That means arrow is one special thing in this figure, right? And similarly this circle. So by observing these type of small areas, we will try to eliminate the option and we will find the perfect answer. We will find the perfect answer for the given question. Okay, right? Next we will see the next question, students. Now see here, see students, what is the next figure? What is the next figure in this figure? Now what is happening? First please see here, down and right, up and right, down and right, up and right. Now please observe carefully here. This one is fixed, right? This one is fixed for me here. Only the other one is changing from down and up. Now this one is fixed. So next it should come what? Towards what? It should come to down, right? Why? Because down, up. Next it should come towards the bottom. It should come towards the bottom. So which options are eliminated here? Option B and D are eliminated by default, right? Why? Because here already it was similar to our previous one. Okay, with the help of this one, I eliminated 2 options. I was left with more 2. Now please observe the pattern. Please observe the pattern. It is nearer to this one. Okay, that is nearer. Now this was here and it was here. When it went up, it changed to the direction. It changed the direction. Now similarly it will come to down, right? So it will show the same direction or not? Yes. Now please see in this one, which one is the perfect one? This one is not a perfect one. This one is a perfect one. Please see here. Whenever the arrow is down, it was there like this, right? The same symbol. Where do I have? In option C. So my answer here is what? Option C. My answer here is option C. Like this, we are going to solve the problems by observing some particular areas. Not if you see the entire figure, you may get an idea or not. Slowly we will see each and every part. We will divide the figure into parts and we will try to observe those things and then write the final answer. Next one. See the next figure here. See this figure. What comes after this one? What is the figure after this one? Which comes after this one? Now please observe here, students. What we are getting? Small, big, small, big, small, big, small, big, small. Right? Please observe here. It is like a mirror image. So once again I should get here a smaller one. Big, big, small, small, big, big. Next it should be what? A small circle and a big circle. Small circle and a big circle. So now please see here. If that is the case, small and big means these two are eliminated, right? So I should have a small circle and I should have a big circle here. So these two are eliminated. Why? Because here those two are what? Big. Now please see here when it comes to this smaller one. One line is here, both are like this. Next, this one came like this and it is tilted. Next, tilted. Now when you observe carefully, students, when you observe carefully, what is happening with this smaller one circle? When it comes to big circle, it is just changing. One is vertical and one is horizontal. One is vertical and the other one is horizontal. So next it should become what? A vertical one. It should become what? A vertical one. Now please see in these two options, in the bigger circle, which one we have a vertical line? Option A, right? So here my answer is option A. Option B will be deleted for us here. Option B will be deleted. Understood? Just by seeing the vertical and horizontal. One is vertical, one is horizontal. Like this, vertical and horizontal, it is shifting. So we are getting our answer as option A. Now see this figure, students. Now see this figure. What is happening here? Please observe carefully. Okay. Please observe carefully here. These are a little bit small in size, but please try to observe carefully. Now here this is a one line. The first and last are remaining same in these two figure. Please observe here. These two are same, right? Here and here. These two are same. But when it comes to the middle one, they changed. Now when it comes to the other one, the middle one remained same. Middle one remained same. When it comes to the extremes one, they changed. Next, when you observe, the extremes remained same and the middle one changed. So next what should happen? My middle one should remain same and extremes should change. My middle one should remain same and the extremes should change for me here. The extremes should change for me here. Now please see here what will happen. Middle one and extremes will be there, right? So now middle one should remain same. So please observe in which figure the middle one is. It is not there here. Yes, in the second one there is chance. When it comes to the other one, third one, it is gone. Yes, fourth one also there is a chance. So the middle one is remaining same here. What happens to the first and last? It should change, right? Now see my option B and option D. In option D, the first and last are also same. That means same D is represented here, right? So this one is also not my answer. So my answer here becomes option B. Option B. Option B. Forget about how they changed. That is the next level of scrutiny. First, the first and middle one should be unchanged. So middle one unchanged are for me B and D. And the first and last should be changed definitely. So here in this one, option D, that is similar to the figure which was given here. So here my answer becomes option B. Option B. I should tell the next figure in these figures. Okay, next one. Now see this one. See the problem figure, students, everyone. Please observe what you are getting here. Please observe this one, flag or whatever it is, how it is moving. From here, it moved to this position, and next it moved to this position, and then next it moved toward this position. Next it should come to which position? It is moving in clockwise direction, right? One step here, next here, next here, next it should come down to this one. So that means I should have a square somewhere here or rectangle somewhere here. Please see in which options. With that one logic itself, these three options gone wrong, and my answer will become what? Option D. Option D. Forget about the circle, that is secondary. But with that positioning itself, I can say that my answer here is option D. Option D. Now please see this figure, students, everyone. Please observe this one. What I need to tell, what comes next in this figure. What comes next in this figure. That is my duty here. Now please see here what happens to the circles at the top. Initially I have 5. Next I have 4. Next I have 3. So next I should have how many? 2. I should have how many? 2. So here with that itself, I will come to know that my answer is option C. But just to verify, please observe here 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots. Next it should be what? 4 dots. Yes, it is satisfying that one also. When it comes to the middle one, it remains the same. Whatever the shape it was there in the first figure, the same shape is continuing for me. So here my answer will become what? Option C. Option C becomes my answer here. See the next one. See the next one. What is happening here? Please observe carefully, students. What is happening here? This is the problem figure for me. Now dot, in all the things I have dot, no use. Next this one, semicircle, all the one I have that one. Sorry, ellipse shape one. In all the figures I have the same ellipse, need not to worry. Now when you see the plus, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, next it should be what? 4 plus. 4 plus. There is only one option with 4 plus, what it is? Option D. I can directly opt that option for me here. Option D. Option D. So here our answer becomes what? Option D. Here our answer becomes option D. Now next see the next problem figure, students. What is happening here? I have 8 here. 8 lines, right? Next I have how many? 7 lines. Next I have 6 lines. Next I have 6 lines. I mean these small lines. Please observe these small lines. Please observe these small lines. So next lines will become what for us here? It should be what? Just here 8 lines, here 7 lines, here 6 lines. Next it should be what? 5 lines for me. Next it should be what? 5 lines for me here. So what are the 5 lines? What is the chance I have here? 5 lines. Please observe carefully, ma. Here I have how many? 6. So this is not my answer. This is not my answer. Here I have 4. This is not my answer. Here I have how many? 5. And here also I have 5. See, in these two I have 5 and 5. Sir, next. What is the next logic? See here, students. Did they eliminated completely that one? No. So here please observe in this option, they completely eliminated this one. But actually that was there, right? So because of that reason, even though we have 5 lines here, this is not my answer. My answer here becomes option D. My answer here becomes option D. So like this we are going to solve. Next, see the next one. See the next one. Now what is happening here? See, there are some 10 lines. On one end we have, these are what? Line rays, right? In perfect mathematical terms, we can call them as a ray. One fixed point and extension in only one direction, we call it as a ray. So there are rays, some rays here, and there are different things happening. Now this is, one is towards right, one is towards left, one is towards right, left. Now next what is happening? A dot is missing. Here please see in this figure and in this figure, a dot is missing for us. Next from this figure to this figure, the arrow, direction symbol is missing, right? Direction symbol is missing. Next the line is missed directly. Next the line is mixed directly. Next dot is towards left one, right? So in the next figure, the arrow is missing. The arrow is missing. So in the next figure, what it should mix here? The dot should be mixed, right? And then we will skip the line. So dot is skipped. So except dot, I should not have dot here. So and 4 lines I should have. This is not my answer. Why? Because dot was here, which is not at all possible. Arrow is there. That one is also not my answer. Now please see these two figures. There is chance for these two. There is chance for these two for me here. There is chance for these two. Then which one is the answer, sir? This one is anyway not the answer. Now which one is the answer? Means see here, students. My first one is showing towards what? Rightward direction, right? But please see here, this in this figure it is showing towards leftward direction. So this is not my answer. My answer here becomes option A. My answer here becomes option A. Okay, understood? Now, similarly, please see this one, students. What is happening here? There is a circle D and a rectangle. What is happening? The circle is coming down and this 1, 2, 3. Assume 3 figures are there. The second figure is coming down and third figure is going to the middle. Please observe here. That is the thing which happened here. Second figure, the rectangle went into between the first and second. Now, similarly here also this is my first, second and third figures. So, my D shaped one should go to the middle and the first and the second one should be separated. First and second one. D should go to the middle. D should go to the middle means this one is wrong. This is a chance and this is also a chance for time being, assume. And this one is gone wrong. Why? Because completely a different shape for us. Okay, I need to tell what is in this question mark. Okay, need not to worry about that question mark. I need to tell what is in this. Now see here there is chance for these two. And next thing, are they intersected the first and the second figure? No, right? But here the first and second figure are intersecting. So this one is also not my answer. So my answer here becomes option B. My answer here becomes option B here. Right? Next, see the next one. See the next figure, students. When it comes to this dot and a up arrow direction, that is common in all the things. But what is happening? Please see here. Circle came out and triangle went inside between these two. Whatever the relation is there in these two, I need to tell the relation in the next one. Okay, this question is little bit a different one. Whatever the relation which we have in the first two images, the same relation should be there in the next two. The another set of questions from this non-verbal series. Now see here, students, circle came out and a triangle went in. Similarly here, what it should, triangle should come out and rectangle should go inside. Triangle should come out and rectangle should go inside. Triangle should come out and rectangle should go inside. So what will be my answer? There is here where there is one chance, right? And here there is one chance. There are two chances. But please observe here, what is the outermost figure, students? It is a triangle, right? It is unchanged. Here the outermost one is circle, here is also circle. So here also it should be what? A triangle. So our answer here becomes option C but not option D. Why? Because the outermost figure is unchanged for us here. It is unchanged for us. Next, see the one. Please observe the arrow or please observe this dot, students. It was there here and it went here. Next it went here. Next it should come to this one, right? That is the basic idea. Please observe the dot movement. From here it went here. From here it went here. Next the dot should come to this one, right? In which option the dot is at that point? Only one option for me. What it is? Option C. So my answer here becomes option C. Understood, students? Right? Next one. We will see the next one. Please observe here carefully. Please see here, students. There is a triangle inside it and the triangle got separated and this line went inside that one. Okay, it went inside of that one. Now similarly, please observe here, this is the figure. Whatever the relation which I have here, the same relation should be there between these two also. Now first thing, I should have a triangle inside, a separate triangle. Please observe in all the four I have a triangles. Okay. Next thing, what happens? This one will go inside. Is it coming from outside? No, it is just starting inside only. So, but please see here, it is coming from outside. This one also coming from outside. This one also is coming from outside. So, what? Just the shape will be brought down in the same manner. So, here my answer will become option C. Here my answer becomes option C here for me. Okay. Next. Please observe this one, students. This one is, I need to tell in which figure this shape is there. Another one from this non-verbal series, in which figure this shape is there for me. In this one, please observe here, students. There you may think that there are chances for A and C. Please observe in which figure we have this one. In which figure? Circle is not there, just a triangle with a line. Okay. Now, you may think, sir, there is two figures. No, actually what happens is, it is whether it is visible to you or not. It was a quite different one. There is a, turn like shape here. Because of that reason, it is not accepted. So, the shape where we can see this one is, this is the shape, right? perfect one. The same shape is visible here. So our answer here becomes option C. So our answer becomes option C. So we need to identify where this shape will be there in the given figures. Where this shape will be there in the given figure for us here. Now see the next one. Same. Where this figure is available, I need to tell. Where this figure is available in the given figures, I need to tell. Please see here it is anyway by default not available. Here please observe this one, I should have this one like this line also, so this one is also gone wrong. Here this is a straight line, this one is also gone wrong. Now see in this figure students, everyone, this is the shape, right? The same shape is observed here, so here our answer becomes option B, option B. Now next, what comes next in between this one? Now one semicircle, two semicircles, so obviously my answer should be what? 3 semicircles. My answer should be what? 3 semicircles. Here I have 3, here I have 2, so this one went wrong, then D also went wrong. Here C and D are wrong. Why? Because they are just 2 circles each. Next, when it comes to the semicircle, how the movement is happening, please here. From here it came here. Next it should come for assume for timing here, and then next it went here. Understood? So my answer here remains what? Option E. Option E will be my answer here. Why? Because it is like a rotating manner. It is showing downward, next this side, next it will be obviously upward only. So our answer here becomes option E. Option E will be our perfect answer for this question. Next, see the next one students. Now please observe here, 1 dot, 3 dot and 7 dots. Now when it comes to upper portion, it is 1 dot, 3 dots and 7 dots. So what is the chance for the middle one? 5 dots, right? The chance for the middle one will become what? 5 dots. Yes sir. Next, when it see this one, bottom one, what I have here? 5, 4, 2. So what is the chance I will have here? 3. 3, right? 5, 4, 3 and 2. So now 5 dots and 3 dots. Where do we have 5 dots and 3 dots? Here I have 5 but 6. That is gone. Here I have 6, not possible. 6, not possible. 6. Only one chance for me is option E. 5 dots and 3 dots. So here our answer becomes option E. Option E. With option elimination, you can solve this problem. That is the best method and effective. Don't think too much that, okay, what may come like that. Please don't do like that. If it is possible, if it is a very simple logic, do that one. But else, always the best approach is option elimination. Best approach is option elimination. Okay. Right. Next, see the next one. I have a figure like this and this one. Now, first and second, I will end. Second remains unchanged, right? Second remains unchanged. In the next one, first remains unchanged. In the next one, second remained unchanged. So in my next one, what? First should remain unchanged. First figure should remain unchanged. So where do I can see this shape? Here it is not there, here it is not there. So there is chance for C and D. Okay. Now when it comes to the second shape, here the other one is always changed, right? Now please observe these two options. My figure D is similar with option C. Is similar with option C, right? So this will go wrong. Why? Because I should not have a similar one, it should be changed. So here my answer will become what? Option D. Here my answer becomes option D. Option D. Understood? Right? See the next one. Now see the next one students. 1 line and 1 dot. 2 lines and dots were increasing 3. Next please see here 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Dots are incrementing, changing in what order? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Now here I have 1 means next I should have 3. In all the options I have 3. So dots it is waste of time. Next see here, first 1 line, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, 5 lines. Next it should be 6 lines, right? 6 lines. So I should have a right side line. I should have a right side line. So this one is gone wrong and this one is gone wrong. Why? Because there I have left side line. Why? Because see the extension started from right. So right side line. Next, what happens to the dots students? Please observe here carefully. First here, from here it started. Next here, from here it started. Next here means from here it should start, right? So I should have dots here. So 1, 2, 3. Where do I have the one? In option C. So this one is gone wrong. So my answer here becomes option C. Please see here students. From dot was here. So it is starting from here. Dot is here. It is starting from here clockwise and 3. Dot is here. Similarly here it should start from here and 3 dots. 3 dots. So our answer becomes here option C. Option C. Next see the next figure. Please observe here. Where the time is showing or which direction the watch is showing. This is at 12, right? 12 or 0. It is pointing 12 or 0. Next it is pointing 1 o'clock. Next it is pointing 3 o'clock. Next it is pointing 6 o'clock. Please observe carefully, ma. From here to here 1, from here to here 2, from here to here 3. Increasing, right? 1, 2 and 3. Next it should be incremented by what? 4. So 6 plus 4, it should indicate what? 10. Now our hand should indicate what? 10. Our hand or minute hand, whatever it is. It should indicate what? 10. So it is showing what? It is pointing towards what? 7. So it is wrong. It is pointing towards 8. This one is also wrong. It is pointing towards 9. This one is wrong. But this one is pointing towards 10. So my answer here becomes option D. Which direction it is pointing and how it is increasing. Okay. Next one. Please observe here. There is a circle. 2, 3, 2, 3. Next it should be what? 2. Anyway, all the figures have 2 only. So it is of no use. Next, observe the shape, students. What is happening here? Upper one is there. Now only one is there and it came to opposite and a middle one. Now here I have this one and opposite and a middle one. Right? Now tell me what should be my next one. What should be my next figure here? What should be my next figure here for me? What should be my next figure? Okay. So it's opposite. Now please observe here, students. It was there like this. It came to this side and only these two are there. Okay. Next it was like this and what we can say, it went to this one. And I was left with this one. It went to this one and this was left to. Next it should be deleted, right? So next one is deleted like this. So what will be my next figure? My next figure will be option A. Option A will be my next figure. This will be deleted and I will be left with option A here. Option A here. Okay. Next. See this one, students. What is happening? The inner circle is moving right and left. Okay. Whenever it moves towards right, one new circle is adding. See here. When it moved to right, one new circle is added. When it moved to left, no new one is added. It came just as it is. Now when it moved to right once again, two circles are there. Next it should move towards what? Left and only there will be no incremental in circle, right? There will be no incremental in circle. So our answer here becomes option C. Option C. Please observe option D. Option D here it is shaded. Here it is shaded. But actually is it shaded for us? No, it is not shaded. Because of that reason our answer becomes option C here. Option C here. Understood? Right? Next one. See the next one, students. Now, this is very, very important, students. This is very, very important. Okay, how the movements of different things is happening. When it comes to square, it went from here to here. Right? Somewhere it is missing. And that means in between the journey, definitely it will be there somewhere here or here. Right? But please see this option. Here it is there at a downward position, which is not completely wrong. Now see here 2 and 1. Now for time being, one time it jumped to 2, next it will jump 1 from here to here, and next 2 means from here to here. Next 1 means what? From here to here. So that means here my square is moving in what order? 2 and 1. That means total. See here, students. Total for me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points are there in this figure. First here to here it jumped 3 to 5. Next it will move, assume that 5 to 6. Next it moved 2 jumps. Next it will move 1 jump. It is satisfying, right? It is satisfying. So my square should be there in the middle. My square should be there in the middle. So which option have square in the middle? Option B. Option B have square in the middle. So that will be my answer. So that will be my answer here. Okay, understood? Right. Next we will see the next one. Please observe carefully, students. There is a triangle. I should tell in the similar manner what will come here. And a vertical line for me. Triangle and a vertical line and a circle. So in last figure what happened? The outermost one was deleted, right? In the last figure, or else I can say that this minus this figure is equal to this one. Whatever the things which was not there in my first figure, I have written it separately. Right? Similarly here also, the first figure is this one. I have deleted the first figure. Then I will have just plus. Then I will have just plus. Now here also the same thing. I should delete the first figure means then I will have only what? Cross. Then I will have only cross. Why? Because in my first figure I have this one. In my first figure I have this one. So that will be deleted. So here my answer becomes option 4. Here my answer becomes option 4. Please be careful, ma. The first figures are deleted from this one. Okay, right? Then see the next one. What is the figure which come here? One shaded empty and one stripped one. That means what? Something like a strip lines they have given for us. Now, here also shaded stripping one, shaded and empty. Shaded, stripping, and next it should be what? Empty. But please see here, by using that logic itself, I came to know that my answer is option 4 without doing anything. Very simple concept, right? So here my answer becomes option 4. My answer is option 4 for us here. Now see the next one. Please observe this one, students. What is happening here? There is a circle, inside that there is a plus, rectangle and a square. So all the figures are there. Now see here next, triangle, rectangle and circle, outermost one. Next it should be what? Square, circle means next it should be what? Triangle. Next it should be what? Triangle. Inside what I have here? Circle, triangle, or else you can take like that. So circle, triangle means what is the inner one missing here? Square. So my answer here will become what? A rectangle which consists of a square. A rectangle which consists of a square and without touching. So my answer here becomes option C. My answer here becomes option C for us here. Right? Next, see the next one. Please observe this one, students. Please observe carefully what is happening here. Without disturbing the flow, it is continuing, right? The shaded portion. So here also I should not disturb the flow. See here, students, whether it is visible to you or not, I will draw it more clearly. Here in this middle one, what is happening is the strips are in this manner. And in this third one, what is happened is, in this third one, what happened here is, without disturbing this flow, the same flow was there here. Next, see this fourth one also, the same thing was done here. See the fifth one, if I do the same thing, it should look like this, right? So what will be my answer here? My answer will be option B. My answer will be option B. See, even the line also visible. Sir, in this case, the line is not visible means why? Because it is there in the same path. So that is the reason why line is not visible. But the correct answer is for us here, option C. Option C will be the correct answer for us here. Option C will be the correct answer for us here. Next, see here, I need to tell in which figure this shape is there. Please observe carefully and tell me in which figure the shape is there for us. That figure, that shape. Please observe this one, students. This is the figure where I can see the shape, right? So here my answer becomes option D. Here my answer becomes option D for me here. Option D will be my answer here. Next, see the next one. I need to tell which figure, in which figure this shape will be seen. In which figure this shape will be seen for me here. Now please observe carefully, students. In which figure the shape is visible for us. In which figure the shape is visible for us. Please observe this one. I have a shape in the similar manner, right? So my answer here becomes option D. My answer here becomes option D. Option D will be my answer here. Option D will be my answer here. Now similarly, in which shapes these things are available? Please observe carefully and tell me this shape, a straight one and this one. Whether it can be a straightforward one as a or a reciprocal one also, students. Need not to worry, but we should have that shape. Where do you have that shape? Please observe carefully and try to get the answers for these three. Try to get the answers for these three. And think in a reverse order also, not only in this straight. That means don't try to fit the same as it is. Sometimes they may be in a reverse order. They may be in a reverse order. So please check that one. Okay, if you after checking, you will come to know that this figure will have that shape. This figure will have that shape. Please observe there. Now what about this one? Please verify this one also. In which figure this shape will be there means, if you observe carefully in this figure, you can see that shape. You can see that shape. Next, see this one. In which figure this shape is available for me? Total how many I should have? 4. But in the same order, right? So here they are touching, this is not possible. Here they are touching, this is not possible. This is clumsy here. So the perfect one is this one. Okay, it will be like a 1 over the other circle. It will be like a 1 over the other circle. So you will be getting the answer as option D. Option D. Next, see the next one, students. This is a figure. I need to tell in which figure the shape is there. Directly I can say in option B. Please observe this middle portion, students. This is the area which we can see. Yes, so here becomes option B for me here. This will be the option B1 for me. Next, see this one. Solve this one. This is little bit a different one. Please try to get the answer for this one, students. Everyone, give a try. Where you will get the shape, where you will get this shape. Please observe carefully, students. You will get the answer as option C. Okay, pause the video and try to observe it carefully, but you will get your answer as option C here. You will get your answer as option C here. Understood? Right? Then we will move to the next one. X, in which figure this shape is there? Please observe carefully. Here it is not breaking, it is not continuing. Here there is not even a into mark here. Now please see here, here I have something like that, but exact into is not available for me. But please see here for me, students, here into is available for me. Yes, it is available. So here my answer becomes option D. Option D will be my answer here. Now similarly see this one. What is happening to the heads? One time it is circular shape, one time is a triangular shape, and the other one is a hexagonal shape, right? Heads are changing, right? Yes sir, it is changing. So see here, triangle, hexagon, circle. Next, hexagon, circle means what it should be my next shape? Triangle shape. Okay, my next shape should be a triangular one. So this option is deleted by default. What happens to the hands? Please see here, one time it is in the shape of V, one time W, and the other one is just stretching horizontally, right? So now horizontal, V and W shape. Now here I have W shape, horizontal. Next it should be what? It should be a V shaped one. So in which figure we have a V shape? Here it is a horizontal one, here it is a W shaped one. So here it is option 4 for us. Why? Because there I have the figure in V shape. There I have the figure in V shape for me here. V shape for me here. Next, see the next one. So these are the questions, students. These are the questions which are related to our non-verbal series. These are the questions which are related to our non-verbal series. See, sometimes they will give us some 4 figures and they will ask us to get the 5th figure, or sometimes they will give us 2 figures and they will tell that what is the relation between the third one. In the similar manner, you should find the other one. Like this, they will ask us a different one, and or sometimes they will ask us questions like that previous one. That means where you can see that shape. Where you can see the shape. Like this, they may ask us different cases. Whatever they ask us, our question remains same and our approach remains same. We will try to solve it. See students, once again I am repeating, please watch all our quant videos. We discussed very clearly each and every concept. Okay, and with some good examples of all the previous examinations combinedly. Okay, so please do watch the videos, the entire quant series as well as reasoning series. It will be definitely helpful to you. Worth watching, students. Very precisely and in a very shortcut manner, we discussed each and every concept here. Okay, with a very good intention, we started these videos. So I hope it will reach to you perfectly. Thank you very much.